Hi friends and welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Check out this new fun box from Play-Doh Sweet Shop. It is called Lunchtime Creations. It's a very nice slim box. And with this set you can make some fun lunch stuff. Let's see what we get in this box. Alright, so there are 5 cans of Play-Doh included in this playset. Two plates, 3 bread slice cutters. Here's a pizza mold with a pizza cutter and a pizza server. There are 2 cookie cutters. Here's an apple book mold. Here's another cutter. Here's a roller. And you get these 5 stamps. Alright, I'll make some lunch for you. Alright, so let's learn a bit of math, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and have some fun with Play-Doh. Alright, so here's the first mold. Here is one orange slice. 1. Here is green Play-Doh and 2 cherries. Two cherries. 3 bananas. 4 red tomatoes. 5 delicious grapes. And now for some sandwiches. And now let's make a yummy sandwich. Wow, you look really hungry.
Hello.
Hi, so you ready for your lunch? I guess that means yes, so there you go. Other than the plain sandwich cutter, you get these 2 types. So here's one that makes 2 slices and 4. Alright, so let's try the 2 cookies. Wow, nice shapes. Now let's decorate. And here are the 2 cookies. We have a round one and a square one. Do you want to eat a cookie? Whoa, you don't like this one? How about this one? Alright, that means you like it. Alright, so here's the apple mold. You can put red or green or whatever color of apple you like. Wow, it's perfect. Now here's the red apple, and if you want to slice it, here we have a slicer with a number 5, so it's going to slice it into 5 pieces. Wow, and here we have 5 pieces of apple. Now let's make our pizza. So here we have some yellow crust. And here's some red Play-Doh. And here's some red Play-Doh. Now just invert it and press. Wow, check out that pizza, it's super awesome. So if you want to make it neat, you can just use this cutter. Just going to use a white plate so you can see it really well. And here we have the pizza. Just decorate it with some veggies, and now it's time to cut our pizza. Here's some pizza for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this Play-Doh video, and if you had fun, please don't forget to like and subscribe to MsDisneyReviews. Thank you.